Let's go over each of these individually. And let's say that n is 4. So we have 4 values here in order, from least to greatest. So if n is 4, the rank of this value is 1, and the rank of this value is 4, and the actual values are these. So for this one, n divided by 2 would be 4 divided by 2, which is 2. X sub 2 is this one. Is this the median? No, because since it's an even data set, the median is going to be the average of these two. But now we know that this data value is x n divided by 2. The rank n minus 1 divided by 2 would be 4 minus 1, which is 3, and then divided by 2, which is 1.5. And that doesn't exist. We don't have any with a rank of a decimal value, only integer values. What about this one? We have x sub n plus 2 plus x sub n plus 2 plus 1. So if this is the rank n divided by 2, n divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. And then if we divide it by 2, we get the average of these two values. So here we have our answer. And you see that this value is this third one. Using this logic, we can extend these formulas for any even-numbered data set. Okay, let's say that n is 5. So we have 5 values in order. Can we divide 5 by 2? No. If n is odd, then we can't have a decimal rank. What about 5 plus 1 divided by 2? Well, that's 6 divided by 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that means we would get the value in the third rank. And that is the median. Let's still explore the others. If we have 5 minus 1 divided by 2, that gives us 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And the value in the second rank is not our median. And finally, we have 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5, plus 1, which is 3.5. And again, we don't have a value that's ranked 3.5, only integer values. This is probably kind of confusing. So before we finish this solution, let's just apply this one to the Udacyan's Facebook friend dataset that we had before. Remember, we had 27 values. So we want the value in the n plus 1 over 2 place. So if we plug n in, then we get 27 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 28 divided by 2, which is the 14th place. And then when we looked for that value in the 14th place, we found that the median was 479. Hopefully that makes some sense and that it's getting you more familiar with using symbolic notation. Good job.